welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are continuing our bread baking series, and today we are making cinnamon rolls. This is one of my favorite foods in the whole world, combining cinnamon with bread. I really love it. So let's get started.
Let's talk about our ingredients. We need 4 cups or 500 grams of flour, 1 tablespoon dry yeast, 1 cup or 225 milliliters of milk, 1/3 cup or 70 grams of sugar, 1/3 cup or 75 grams of butter, half a teaspoon salt, 2 eggs, 3 tablespoons melted butter, 1 cup or 200 grams of brown sugar, 1½ teaspoons cinnamon, 1 cup or 100 grams chopped nuts, which is optional. Combine milk, sugar, and butter in a bowl and heat it in the microwave or on the stove until the butter just melts and the mixture feels warm but not hot. In a large mixing bowl, combine some of the flour with the yeast and salt. Add the warm milk mixture and the eggs. Stir until combined. Add the rest of the flour and knead into a soft dough. You may need a tablespoon or 2 more or less of flour. Cover and allow to rise for an hour or until doubled in size. Knead briefly, roll out into a large rectangle about a 1/4 inch thick. Brush on melted butter, sprinkle with brown sugar and cinnamon. I love cinnamon, so this amount is perfect for me, but if you aren't as in love with it as I am, feel free to tone down the amount of cinnamon. Sprinkle with nuts. I'm using almonds today, but walnuts and pecans are delicious in this recipe, but you don't have to use the nuts. Roll the dough together into a log. Using a knife, cut the dough into about a dozen pieces. I like them about 1 inch thick, but make them the size you prefer. Place the cinnamon rolls in a casserole dish. Here you can choose to allow them to rise again for half an hour or so, or you can bake them directly at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 25 minutes or until the rolls are golden brown. Now this step is also optional, but my favorite way to finish these up is to spread soft or melted cream cheese frosting onto the warm cinnamon rolls. If you need a recipe for cream cheese frosting, see the link in the card. These cinnamon rolls are full of cinnamon and are gooey and sweet. They're perfect for the cinnamon lover. I absolutely love these. For more cakes and recipes, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe for more recipes.